Duol makedo gi yedhe mamero ji e pacho ka NACADA oketho kendo puko kuong miuso tok chik mayo lita 40,000 e chiro ma Pap Onditi e kaunti ma Kisumu, kendo ndhiyo ji ariyo michich godo ni nigi tudruok gohala no. E kinde apedhano, NACADA katiyo kanyakla gobila ne omako lita 200 mag kuong manoseiki mane dhi e chiro, lita 5,000 mag molasses kod malo lita 35,000 mar kuong mane osechak loso to pok oikore. NACADA nosingo ni ok gibi yie ngang mondo kuong ma ok opuodhi ochop ir jopiny. Achije ariyogo manondhi odinegi e tesend obila ma Sondu Miriu kigeno chwalogi e doho.
2,000 liters of changa, then we have 3,500 kangara and more than 200 jerrycans and drums were destroyed. And that right now we have 2 suspects and they are booked in Pap Onditi police station, and some were missing, some ran away.
And today we are here in Kisumu County, Nyakach sub-county, where we were leading a multi-agency operation against illicit brews, where we managed to arrest some suspects within villages in the sub-county. And the multi-agency team comprised of NACADA, the National Police Service, and members of the National Government Administration officers. And it is part of the Rapid Results Initiative that was given by the Cabinet Secretary for Interior, Honorable Kipchumba Murkomen, that within 100 days we should have operations that are targeted towards illicit brews and drug abuse in the country. So NACADA is living up to its mandate, and the suspects will be apprehended in court and they will be arraigned to face the full